Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the first episode of True Learning Crypto, where we plunge headfirst into the fascinating world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Buckle up, because today we're diving into the very foundation of this thrilling technology, blockchain. Imagine this: a secure, transparent, and decentralized way of storing data. That's blockchain for you. Think of it as a chain made up of blocks, each containing vital pieces of information. One block might hold the date of a transaction, another the amount, and yet another the recipient's details. But what makes these blocks stick together? It's the magic of cryptographic hashes. These unique codes link the blocks in a way that any attempt to alter a block's information breaks the chain, ensuring top-notch security. So what's inside each of these blocks? First, we have the data, which can be anything from transaction details to contract terms or personal information. Then there's the hash, a unique identifier for the block, like a digital fingerprint. And finally, we have the previous block's hash, which connects the blocks, making the chain unbreakable. If you change one block, its hash alters, causing a ripple effect that breaks the chain's continuity. This interconnected structure is what makes blockchain a fortress of data integrity and security. Now, here's where it gets even cooler. Blockchain operates on a decentralized network. This means it's not stored on a single computer or server, but spread across multiple nodes worldwide. This decentralization is the secret sauce behind its security and reliability. To add a new block, most of these nodes must agree on the data's validity through a process known as consensus. One of the most famous consensus methods is proof of work. Here, nodes, often called miners, solve complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and add new blocks to the chain. The first one to crack the puzzle gets to add the new block and is rewarded, usually with cryptocurrency. It's like a high-stakes Sudoku game with real-world rewards. Another consensus method is proof of stake, where nodes are chosen to validate transactions based on the number of coins they hold. POS is like the energy-efficient cousin of POW, as it doesn't require extensive computational power. It's a greener, leaner way to maintain the blockchain. When we talk about blockchain, the first thing that comes to mind is usually cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Blockchain is the backbone that securely stores transaction histories, wallet balances, and more. But wait, there's more. Blockchain's uses extend far beyond cryptocurrencies. It can store data like educational records, property ownership, and even personal identification information. It's like a Swiss Army knife for the digital age. Let's rewind a bit. The concept of using institutions to reduce uncertainty and facilitate trade goes back to Nobel Prize-winning economist Douglas North. His work highlighted how formal rules, like constitutions, and informal constraints, like social norms, keep the economic wheels turning smoothly. In the early days, trade was a simple affair within small settlements using social norms and, well, sometimes violence. As societies grew and trade expanded, formal institutions like banks, governments, and corporations emerged to manage these relationships and reduce uncertainty. These institutions helped us handle the growing complexity of trade as our personal control over it decreased. Fast forward to the internet era. Our trade institutions moved online, with platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba becoming the new intermediaries. These platforms are super useful but still centralized, relying on a central authority to operate and verify transactions. And then came blockchain, a game changer in how we interact and trade. For the first time, we can reduce uncertainty not through traditional political or economic institutions, but through a single technology. Blockchain is a decentralized database that stores the history of all assets and transactions in a peer-to-peer network. This public ledger of asset ownership and transactions is secured by cryptographic protocols, making it immutable and highly secure. Uncertainty in economic transactions can be broadly categorized into three main types: not knowing who we are dealing with, lack of transparency in the interaction process, and failure to fulfill obligations. Blockchain tackles all three. It can create an open and global platform that stores evidence of any person's performance from anywhere, allowing for the creation of user-controlled mobile identities. It creates a shared reality among parties that do not necessarily need to trust each other, providing unprecedented transparency. And it enforces binding contracts between individuals, ensuring that all conditions of a transaction are met before funds are transferred. Blockchain's most famous application is in digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These cryptocurrencies use blockchain to securely record and verify transactions, providing a decentralized alternative to traditional banking systems. But that's just the beginning. One of the most revolutionary aspects of blockchain technology is the ability to create smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Smart contracts automatically enforce and execute the terms of an agreement, reducing the need for intermediaries and increasing efficiency. Blockchain can greatly enhance transparency and efficiency in supply chains, recording every step of a product's journey to ensure authenticity and quality. This is particularly valuable for industries dealing with complex supply chains, such as electronics, pharmaceuticals, and luxury goods. It can also provide secure and tamper-proof identity verification, which can be used for everything from verifying academic credentials to ensuring the integrity of voting systems. Let's dive a bit deeper into these applications, shall we? Take supply chain management, for example. Imagine you're buying a high-end luxury watch. How do you know it's the real deal and not a clever counterfeit? Blockchain can help. By recording every step of the watch's journey, from the manufacturer to the retailer, on the blockchain, you can trace its entire history. This kind of transparency ensures that what you're buying is authentic and of high quality. The same principle applies to pharmaceuticals. Ensuring the integrity of medicine is crucial, and blockchain can help track every step, reducing the risk of counterfeit drugs entering the market. And then there's voting. We all know how critical secure and transparent voting systems are for the integrity of elections. Blockchain can revolutionize voting by providing a tamper-proof way to verify voter identities and record votes. Each vote can be tracked and verified, ensuring that the process is fair and transparent. Imagine a world where election fraud is virtually impossible. That's the power of blockchain. Now, let's not forget about smart contracts. These are game changers in their own right. Picture this. You're renting an apartment, and the lease terms are written into a smart contract on the blockchain. When the conditions are met, like paying rent on time, the contract automatically executes, transferring funds from your account to the landlord's. No need for intermediaries, no delays, and everything is transparent and verifiable. This level of automation and trust can transform industries, making processes more efficient and secure. You might be wondering, how does this technology impact the everyday person? Well, think about remittances. Many people work abroad and send money back home. Traditional methods can be slow and expensive, with high fees and delays. Blockchain can streamline this process, making cross-border payments faster and cheaper. Imagine sending money to your family instantly with minimal fees. Blockchain makes this possible. Another exciting application is in the realm of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi aims to recreate traditional financial systems, like loans, insurance, and savings accounts, using blockchain technology. This opens up financial services to a broader audience, especially those who are unbanked or underbanked. It's like having a bank that never sleeps, doesn't charge exorbitant fees, and offers services to everyone, no matter where they are. Let's talk a bit about real-world adoption. Several major companies and governments are already exploring blockchain technology. For instance, IBM is using blockchain to improve supply chain transparency. Walmart has implemented blockchain to track the origins of food products, ensuring better quality and safety. Estonia, a pioneer in digital governance, uses blockchain to secure its citizens' health records, making it one of the most digitally advanced societies in the world. These real-world examples show that blockchain is not just a theoretical concept, but a transformative technology already making an impact. Blockchain technology is still in its infancy, and much experimentation is needed to fully understand its potential applications. However, its ability to create a decentralized, secure, and transparent system for recording and verifying transactions has already begun to transform various industries. While cryptocurrencies are the most well-known application of blockchain, the technology's potential extends far beyond digital currencies. From supply chain management to identity verification, blockchain is poised to revolutionize how we interact with and trust digital information. Blockchain represents a significant step forward in our ability to reduce uncertainty and facilitate trade. By providing a decentralized and secure way to record and verify transactions, blockchain has the potential to transform various aspects of our economy and society. As we continue to explore and develop this technology, it is essential to keep an open mind and embrace the possibilities it offers. Thank you for joining us in this first lesson of True Learning Crypto. Stay tuned for more in-depth explorations of blockchain technology and its applications in future lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you next time.